make hundreds of thousands of dollars every month easily from anywhere in the world as a beginner. You don't need a camera, you don't need any skills, you don't need to write any scripts or create content, no websites, no affiliate marketing whatsoever, because it's literally copy and paste, and I'll show you everything you need to get started step by step. This is extremely easy and a unique strategy, probably the easiest ways that I've seen someone making money on YouTube. Congratulations to Donna Wang, the winner from my previous video, who won the $1,000 premium course. And you also can win this $1,000 premium course by commenting who your favorite football player, my favorite football player is, and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. Look at this. According to Social Blade, this channel named Quantum Tech makes anywhere from $9.6 thousand to $153,000 per month. So he has about 38 million views last 30 days. And we'll go to his channel and see what he creates. This is his channel. You just go through this channel. This guy doesn't create any content, never talks on videos, does not film his videos, and never shows his face on camera. He posts these videos only 2 or 3 times a week. That means just working for an hour or 2 per week. This channel shows the most incredible gadgets and inventions on the market. Gadgets and inventions, food industry machines that are at another level, creative DIY ideas that will take you home to the next level, DIY car upgrades, more satisfying cleaning machines, engineers. So you can start a channel just like this now. Get some traffic, make some good money online on YouTube with passive income. This YouTube channel niche gets millions of views. As you can see, I sorted this by the popularity. This video has got 53 million views, 46 million, 45 million, 34 million, 34 million, 32, 31, 30, 25, 25, 23, 23, and so on. Millions views. So you can understand the demand that this type of channel has. So let's start the new money making channel. So from where do you find these kind of videos? You can find these kind of videos for absolutely free. But just before we go to the next step, keep on mind, do not skip a second of this video, as I'm gonna give you 2 methods which you can make money from this strategy. There will be some bonus tips as well. Remember, you don't want to film any videos, so open up a couple of videos first. So you can see this channel uploads videos that are published in many social media platforms. So see, when you click on the video, you get an ad. They got a nice intro and unique logo out here. I'll tell you how you can make those for free. They just link a few videos. See, this is another video, another video, another one, another one. So we'll go to another video. So you can see the transitions of the new videos from several social media platforms. You can check the video description and see exactly where they are getting all this content, and you can literally do the same. So let's see. They have mentioned all the places they are getting these videos with their social media links. So this is one link of the video, the other, and you can see all the links of the videos out here. You can just open up a video and see See, it's the same video. As you can see, they're not creating any of the videos. They just have given the credit to the owner of these videos. Here you saw some YouTube video links as well. That means they are getting some videos from YouTube as well. They do not get any copyright strike as they have given the credit to the owners with their all social links. So the owners won't mind this as their content gets promoted in this channel for free. So this channel, just download these videos, do some basic editing and upload them to YouTube. You can do the same. In my opinion, something in home and garden niche will be a great idea for this. Get other people's videos and crash on YouTube. Make tons of money. Make sure to make your channel unique by giving your channel a unique name. Create a unique logo. To make a unique logo, you go to canva.com. This is absolutely free, though they have a paid version. This free version will do everything for you. Go to create a design, search for a logo, and you can see they have hundreds of thousands of logo templates out here. Choose a template, give a good name, and create your logo. Play around and edit the names and all, and go there and download your logo. So now it's time to download a video. So you don't have to download these videos. You can go to the original video of them. Go to the description, find the link, go to the link, copy this link from here or from here. Copy the link, go to Google and type YouTube to MP4. There will be tons of downloaders out here. Just select one, open, paste the link here and convert to MP3 and download the link. And you can download a few videos by searching on YouTube, and for one video you upload, you can just link 4 or 5 smaller clips to attach some clips from the videos you downloaded. You can use your own video editing software, and if you don't have any, please don't worry, there's a free video editing software called Clidio.com. Here, video tools, online, all-in-one, easy to use online video tools. You can merge, compress, resize, meme, cut, do whatever you want. There's a paid version as well, but the free version will do everything for you. Just link a few videos you downloaded, and you don't have to do any voiceover. If you want to do voiceover, you can do it here. If not, as you saw on that channel, they don't do any voiceover. There's just only music. So if you want to have free music, you can just go to studio.youtube.com, and you can go to the audio library over here and find some copyright free music and download it from here. Dance and electronic genre will do this for this type of a niche, not ambient for sure, not hip-hop. You can choose whatever you want and download it from here. Go back to Clidio, add that, make a nice video. If you can make an intro and outro as well, if not, that's totally fine. Make a perfect video to earn tons of money by spending nothing. Now it's time to do the bonus tip where you can earn more money. You can just go to the channel we used here, go to a video, and here in the description you see new merchandise available here, Teespring.com. Go to that site and see they are making tons of money from this as well. They're customizing the merchandise and selling those phone covers, t-shirts, hoodies, and so on, which in they are getting $44.99 for this. They must be paying around $30 for that and just $15 profit. So you can do the same thing. I can tell you, you also have to give the credits to the owners of the videos, so make sure you save the links up here with their names, and if you prefer, you can get all their social media links and add to your video description, so there won't be any copyright strikes from any of the creators of these videos, as all of them are looking forward to promote their product. Coming back to this, you can just go to teespring.com. You can just create an account, sign up. I'm not going to do those. I think most of you know about Teespring. If not, it is a free end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business. You can create any merchandise and sell online. You don't have to have a warehouse or anything. You just design online and sell online. You can just go to start designing, You can loads of products here. You can design almost every product. For now, I'm going with a t-shirt. You can design several t-shirts. You can play around here and design. They have some quotes here and their logo out here, things like that. So they say this case is next level. They are talking about incredible gadgets and inventions. So you can add a text, some quote or something related to your niche, or you can add an image, your logo, or some image related to your niche. Add several colors and you can set your price. It says $26.99. You get 10.05 profit per sale. You can make it 20, you get $3. You make it 30, you get $13. Even you can sell it for $40. Why not? 23.06 profit per sale. You just have to design it one time and make this passive income stream. You can just continue this and get the link of your store and go to your description, give a call to action like new merch available here. Don't use the same thing. You can have your own call to action, something like our merchandise or something cool, and give your link. And if you have any social media accounts, give those links, and as I said earlier, give all the credit to the owners. And just like that, you can have a good YouTube channel totally free without creating any content and run a profitable YouTube business. The video will be there forever with those links. People will come see your videos. You'll learn YouTube ad revenue plus the profit from the merchandise. Don't forget to comment down below who your favorite football player is. Type my favorite football player is and stand a chance to win that $1,000 premium giveaway. And here's a bonus. This is the best traffic source out there. I would highly recommend. The link of it I left in the description box down below. As you can see, this is a 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 plus million visitors. And guys, this isn't free. I have to tell you that it costs just under 20 bucks, guys. Just pay $17 once and use forever. But as a plus, you have a 180-day money back guarantee. No monthly fees ever. And this is designed and made for complete beginners. And you'll get free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. And in this case, you'll get a 180-day money back guarantee, which is really nice because you can't lose anything by giving this a try if you have money. The link down in the description. I hope you guys will love it, and that will bring more and more traffic not only to this strategy but whatever you do on the internet to make money by having some real traffic. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, comment down below. As I always say, I love replying to all of your comments. Share with your mates, like, subscribe, tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching.